Hi, and welcome to lesson 15. We're talking about words to expressions number 2. I can write verbal expressions as math expressions. So once again, we're taking these word problems and we're writing them as expressions here. So the first one, you want to finish a book over summer vacation. You have already read 30 pages. You've already read 30 pages and decide to read 2 pages per day. After P days, you will finish it. How many pages does the book have in total? So you're looking at this. This 30, you are locked into have already read 30 pages. So you're starting at 30. Now, 2 pages per day. This is going to change based on the number of days that you've read. So after 1 day, it'll be 2. After 2 days, it'll be 4. After 3 days, it'll be 6. If you know what's going on with this, you're taking 2 times the number of days. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Notice as this changes, this goes up as well. Now, after 2 days, it's 4. After 3 days, it's 6. After 4 days, it's 8. What about after P days? Well, that's going to be 2 times P. So we're starting off with 30, and we are going to add 2P for every that's kind of our pages per day there. So we're going to have 30 plus 2 pages per day. So it's going to be 30 plus 2P. You go to a bookstore to buy books by taxi. Each book costs you $5. The taxi fee is $10. Write an expression representing the total cost in dollars after buying K books. After buying K books. So we're going to the bookstore. So the taxi is going to be $10. So that's going to be a total flat $10. So we're starting there. Now it's going to be $5 per book. So once again, let's look at this. 5 for 1 book, it's going to be 5. 5 for 2 books, it's going to be 10. 5, 3 books, it's going to be 15. So if you're looking at this, each time you go up a book, it's going to go up $5. Now, you're buying K total books. So this was 1 book, this was 2 books, this was 3 books. What would K books look like? Well, it would be 5 times K plus the $10 cab fare. So it's going to be 5K plus 10. And we're assuming in this problem that $10 is going to get you there and back. So it'd be like a round trip thing. Your sister makes money selling gloves. She can earn $2 from each pair of gloves. 1 month she sold X gloves and paid $10 for materials. How much money did she make this month? Now, this is one you're going to have to think about. You're making money from the gloves, but you also have to buy the materials. So there's money coming in from the sale of the gloves, but there's money going out from the materials that you need for the gloves. So if there's money going out, we're going to have to subtract something. But let's figure this out here. $2 for each pair of gloves, much like we had it before. $2 for 1 would give you 2. 2 times 2 pairs of gloves. You get the picture here. 2 times X pairs of gloves would give us our money that we have there. So it's going to be 2X is going to be the money that we make. So this would be the in. Now, the money going out is going to be the $10 that we spent. So we have to subtract the $10. Because let's just say we sold 10 pairs of gloves, we would have 2 times 10 would be 20, but we spent $10 on materials, so we would make $10 profit. So in this case, it would be 2x minus 10. And then it costs 15 cents to send a text message from your phone. So this is a little outdated, but you have to pay $1.50 each month to be able to send text messages, no matter how many you send. Write an expression representing the total cost of sending M text messages each month in dollars. So now, there's a couple things going on. 15 cents. How many dollars is 15 cents? We want to think about that, right? If $1 is 1.00 and 15 cents, the cents is going to be the decimal places, it's going to be $0.15. So 15 cents is $0.15. Now, it's 15 cents per text message, and we're sending M. So it's going to be that 0.15, because that's the 15 cents, times the number of text messages. Now, in addition to the 15 cents per text message, we need to add the flat rate of 150, so 1.5. So we have 0.15 times M plus 1.5, or 1.50 would be 50 cents. So we can find out how much money we're spending on text messages by putting in the number of text messages that we have. So let's look at this, and that comes out to be this one. So 0.15 M plus 150. And that is words to expressions 2.